My name is Cody Sherd, and I'm here today to talk to you about why we need a Fazoli's franchise in Corning, Arkansas. Corning needs a Fazoli's because there is very little variety in the restaurants that Corning has currently. We have a McDonald's and a Sonic, which make burgers and fries, and we have one little diner, the only variety being from a Mexican restaurant. Fazoli's would bring a cheap, refreshing Italian option to the residents of Corning. Fazoli's has a strong business model with a ton of potential of growth, and the franchise fees are cheap and affordable. The location that I think would be the best for this franchise is 2000 West Main Street in Corning, Arkansas. The building sits right next to Highway 67 and has been a restaurant in the past, which would make it an easy conversion into a Fazoli's, and the building itself would be an easy conversion to a drive-through. The building is right on the main drag of Corning, which makes it a high traffic area. Being directly next to Highway 67, it will get more than just local business. It will get travelers coming from all around that have to come through Corning to get to their destination. The building is easily accessible from the highway and has a large parking lot to accommodate any number of guests. Fazoli's is a quick service restaurant, but they do it differently, emphasizing quality of food and quality of customer service over everything else, which is different from many other quick service restaurants in the industry. Fazoli's has a strong brand reputation consisting of loyal customers, high franchise satisfaction, and high quality food. The Fazoli's company mission is to serve America premium quality Italian food, fast, fresh, and friendly. Fazoli's is up and coming and has had many awards given to them in the last few years, including Brand of the Year in 2013, the Innovation Award for Marketing and Service in 2015, and Company of the Year in 2016, just to name a few. Some of the menu items Fazoli's offers are their signature breadsticks, which are known all around to be fantastic, for $3.29, baked spaghetti for $7.29, baked lasagna coming in at $7.99, and boneless wings for $5.49. Fettuccine Alfredo is also on the menu, costing $6.99, and they have Ultimate Sampler Platter, which costs $7.99. There's a lot of potential for Fazoli's franchise. Fazoli's boasts a 95% unit continuity rate since 2015 in all stores, and a growing sales trend since 2013 in all stores. Fazoli's has over 215 locations in 28 states currently, which is growing every year as more people are realizing what a great investment opportunity it is for their towns. Fazoli's averages $1,567,893 in average net revenue every year. They have strong unit level sales, attractive food cost, and compelling restaurant cash flow, all adding up to a smart investment for all involved. The cost of franchising, or the cost of bringing a Fazoli's franchise to Corning, normally would cost a $40,000 initial franchising fee and a minimum $750,000 in investment capabilities. And normally you would have to have $250,000 in available liquid assets. As of right now, Fazoli's is offering a new deal currently to convert a building and open a Fazoli's for $175,000 to $300,000. This would be for converting an existing building into a Fazoli's instead of building a whole new one, which would create less cost to get started making a Fazoli's. The deal currently includes no franchise fee. The only pre-opening cost would be for advertising and training new employees. There are no royalty fees year one, but increases to a 3% royalty fee in the second year, a 4% royalty fee in the third year, and on year 4 and all following years, a 5% royalty fee. At year 5, there is the option for a 10-year renewal or a 5-year renewal as well. Depending on how successful the Fazoli's has been, you can decide how you want to renew your contract. So there's a lot of flexibility and options. The cost of converting a building into a Fazoli's would roughly be $57,000 to do the exterior of the building in a fashion that all the other Fazoli's are for brand recognition. Most Fazoli's have a green and red with a sort of like beige walls on the outside of their building. It's the Fazoli's iconic look. It would cost roughly $17,000 to get new furniture for the dining room and to decorate the dining room in a way that brings a casual Italian atmosphere. $80,000 for new kitchen appliances to cook the food and to have pans and things like that. $40,000 for a point of sale system, which would be the technology that would manage all the orders incoming and outgoing from the kitchen to speed up your service to the customers. It would cost $20,000 in small wares, which would be like your pots and your pans and your utensils and things like that that a restaurant needs in order to have a sit-down experience. $10,000 for a new upgraded soda machine and the soda to go in the soda machine. $10,000 in architect and engineering cost and $31,000 in general contracting cost. Fazoli's has the potential to become a profitable business in any small town, so why not Corning, Arkansas? The new franchising deal would make it even more affordable to bring a Fazoli's franchise to Corning. The reduced franchising fees and the converting the building instead of building a new one would make it way more affordable on all the residents of Corning, and we would be able to turn around and make a profit quicker. To invest in Fazoli's, call Corning City Hall or the Chamber of Commerce for detailed information on the investment process. Invest in Fazoli's today for a new exciting business that will benefit the town tremendously. Thank you for your time.